How to find and remove duplicate contacts in Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch phone application on your device. And if you have any duplicate contacts on your Android device, then you will be notified to clean off 5 duplicate contacts which is shown at bottom of the screen like mine. You can simply tap on confirm button and find and remove duplicate contacts in Android. But if you are not notified, you can simply tap three dots at the top right corner of the screen. And then you will reach on the settings option by tapping on it. And depending upon your Android device, you will get the option for more duplicate contacts. But currently there is no such option on mine. If you have tap on it, then you will find Morse button at bottom center, and by merging the duplicate contacts you can easily delete. I am already notified, so let's tap confirm button. Now you will be reached on the section of Morse duplicates where you can tap Morse button and merge all of these contacts. And by tapping on OK button, thus 5 duplicate contacts will be merged and it will be removed on your Android device. And that's it. You will successfully find and remove duplicate contacts on your Android. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.